Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shivam from here.
So today we'll talk about how to download Android Studio. So first of all, you have to go to the website, official website of Android Studio on your Chrome. So you can see that on your screen, the download Android Studio tools. Simply click on it, and you can see that here the download button. Download Android Studio. Then click on it. Then scroll down and click accept terms and condition. Okay. So then click on download button. So now your file will be downloaded. So wait some times, then open the file which is downloaded at the top right of your home screen. Then give the permission to access your operating system by clicking on S. So now click next button. Okay, and you can see that here some information about Studio. So here you have to simply click on the next button, but here is the some informations. So click on next button, and here is the path of our Android Studio where is it located in your computer. So in a directory in a folder. Okay, and then click on next, and then click on install button. So here is the details of your computer, your Android Studio. So simply click on install button, and here wait some times to which has been installed. So also you can see that here the details of when you are installing. Okay, so wait some time. So the installed is successfully installed. Our Android Studio successfully installed. Here you can see that here is successfully installed, and click on next. Okay, and here is the compute. What is this all about this? Okay, check this checkbox, and then finish button. Click on finish button. Okay, here is the UI of your Android Studio shown on your screen. So some information about this is the information. Okay, so now you need to don't read button, and then here is your start first Android Studio started. Okay, so we create a new project. This is the first UI of your Android Studio when you are first time download. Okay, so here is some things. Okay, here you can see that your Android virtual device creation. Okay, wait some times, and okay, so here you can create your Android virtual device and emulator for where the Android virtual device is run. Okay, so here you choose whatever you want to choose the Android version. Okay, so here I choose this one 8 and next button. Then here you need to download it first. Okay, download the Android virtual device. Okay, simply click on it. Okay, and download it. Wait some times to download. Okay, download is started. Okay, here your Android virtual devices SDK is downloaded, installed. Okay, finish button. Then you have to click on next button and then finish. Here your name is shown, AVD name. Okay, so simply click on finish button. Then here you can see that the interface of your AVD. Okay, so wait some times. Here's the Android virtual device is load. Okay, so okay, so then we can see that here. So let's try, we can create a new project by clicking on new project. So here you need to choose a simple activity, which activity you want. You can choose basic views activity. So here you need to give the name of your application name, your project name. And here you can see that here the language, which language you want to choose, like a Kotlin, Java, two language are there. Okay, you choose which language you want to choose. Okay, we choose Java. Okay, then click on finish button. So load. Okay, so here is your Android Studio started, your project is started. So it takes some time to build the project. Okay, it has a gradle build can download the necessary required components which is present in already built in Android Studio. Okay, so here you can wait some times. Okay, so here you can see that the Gradle project sync in a progress. Okay, so wait some time. The Gradle skid is started. So here your Android Studio is successfully downloaded. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.